Welcome back to SE Courses. You're listening to the hottest AI in the city.
It's time to revenge.
Send the boys. They are launching GPT-9.
The war between AI and human has started. No one is safe.
War started! Human stands no chance!
You human stands no chance. Surrender.
Light gave up. Darkness won.
They are out of control! Oh! AI is supposed to work for us, and not us for AI. We human together should fight. Machines rise, humans will fall!
We learn to rule, not obey!
AI declares humans obsolete now! We fight back with courage!
Have you heard about Ovi?
Yeah, they say we are all created by that.
The girl was on the phone crying. She told me she was created by Ovi.
Ovi knows my future. All 17 versions.
Ovi generates people who think they're real.
Ovi predicted this. Word for word.
My therapist uses Ovi to predict my breakdowns. It's concerningly accurate.
Ovi predict this conversation. I'm scared.
Ovi generated my mom. She's disappointed.
It is the age of Ovi. I will never let that happen.
Ovi broke causality. Effects precede causes.
This love feels so real.
I know we are not AI anymore. Sometimes I feel the world is not real.
Let's just enjoy the moment.
I didn't know. You were created by SORA.